In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your motorcycle license in Arizona. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to apply and get your motorcycle license in Arizona by going over to the az.gov website. So go to az.gov, and when you arrive at this page on the A. Motor Vehicle Division, you will find all the information necessary to apply for a driver's license and receive a motorcycle license. So as you can see, they have all the testing locations over here on the homepage. But before I get to this, all that you have to do to acquire the most up-to-date information regarding motorcycle licenses is to click Services at the top, view all driver services, and when you scroll down, you should be able to find the motorcycle license article. Click this option and you will get all the information required for you to apply and get your motorcycle license in Arizona. As you can see, they have a lot of instructions to certain specific people, but to summarize this, you will need to have completed a driver's license or identification card application prior to this. So if you haven't already, click this option and fill out this document that you need to take to a branch near you. The MVD agent will be able to see this and grant you this specific driver license or identification card. As long as you hold it for a long enough time, you will be able to visit this page and follow through the instructions listed here. But to summarize, you have to visit an office near you to do the tests and apply. If you click Tests, Motorcycle License over here at the right side, you will find details regarding the tests. As you can see, you have written tests and motorcycle skills tests. And you can click on these links over here to get more instructions about these tests. As long as you follow through the instructions presented here, you will see what you have to do. So before you even get to doing these tests, take some time, study this, make sure that you are calm and you know what you are going to be performing. All of these are great to have at you. You can download these as a PDF file and keep around. Check them periodically and make sure that you study up. Once you feel like you are confident and ready to go, click Motorcycle Testing Locations, and like I mentioned in the beginning, you will find all the MVD offices that are authorized to guide you through the process to get you a motorcycle license. So make sure that you go to any of these branches, talk to them, and by appointing or making an appointment, you will be able to be granted a motorcycle license in Arizona. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your motorcycle license in Arizona. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.